Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I will walk you through how to fix Gmail not receiving emails on your PC. If you find this useful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you're expecting important messages. Let's get it fixed step by step. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Check your spam folder on the left sidebar. Sometimes messages get filtered by mistake. Also, check the all mail folder to make sure the email didn't skip your inbox. Still no emails? Let's move into your Gmail settings. Click the gear icon in the top right and choose See All Settings. Under the Filters and Block Addresses tab, make sure no filters are blocking incoming mails. Delete any suspicious filters. Now, click the Forwarding and POP/AMAP tab. Make sure you haven't accidentally enabled forwarding to other addresses. If forwarding is on, double check the destination address or disable it temporarily. Another step is to check your storage. If your Google account is full, Gmail won't receive new emails. So visit one.google.com/storage and see if you are out of space. If so, delete all files, emails, or upgrade your storage. Lastly, try clearing your browser cache on Chrome. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Choose all time and clear cache images and files. Then reload Gmail and check again. And that's it guys. After following these steps, Gmail should start receiving emails normally. Once more, if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.